How to reactivate Amazon Flex account? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can reactivate your Amazon Flex account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically what you must do is go into your Gmail because this process is just available from here, and you must to type this email address: Amazon Flex hyphen support at amazon.com. As you can see, this is a real email address. Now the subject must be reactivate account, and you must type and let them know what was your username and the reasons you want to reactivate your account, and that probably they have deactivated your account just by mistake. And once you have typed your body here in your email, you must to click on send and wait for their response. And that's how you can reactivate your Amazon Flex account. Thanks for watching.